Hello, it's Miss Alina. How are you doing today? Today's lesson is the present simple tense. I will teach you what the present simple tense is, what it looks like, when to use it, and how to use it. The lesson comes with a lot of exercises and the test at the end. So get your pencils and your exercise books ready. How to study this lesson? Step number 1. Listen. Listen how I read the sentences and the words. Step number 2. Repeat. Repeat after me. Step number 3. Read. Read with me. Follow me. And step number 4. Write. Write the sentences and the words in your books. So what is the present simple tense? We use the present simple tense when we talk about everyday activities, repeated actions, and habits. Look at the picture. It says, I wash my hands every day. Do you wash your hands every day? I do. I wash my hands every day. I wash my hands many times a day. Okay, let's read the sentences together. I eat lunch every afternoon. Every afternoon means every Monday afternoon, every Tuesday afternoon, every Wednesday afternoon, every Thursday afternoon, every Friday afternoon, every Saturday and Sunday afternoon. I eat lunch every afternoon. Katie goes to school every day. She goes to school on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. She doesn't go to school on Saturday and Sunday. We get up every morning. Anne calls Sam every weekend. Anne calls Sam on Saturdays or Sundays. She calls Sam every weekend. Pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. We use special words in the present simple tense, such as today, every day, every morning, every afternoon, every evening, every night, every week, every month, every year, sometimes, once a day, once a week, once a year, on the weekend, all the time, always, and never. Look at the picture. I eat ice cream every, and you have to finish the sentence. How often do you eat ice cream? I eat ice cream once a month. What about you? How often do you eat ice cream? Pause the video and copy the words in your books. Okay, let's read the sentences together. This is a bear. The bear reads a book. The bear reads books every day. Do you read books every day? Pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. The bird sings songs every morning. Sometimes the bird sings in the evening. So the bird does something repeatedly every morning and sometimes in the evening. The bird sings songs. Pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. Every sentence has a noun or a pronoun. Nouns are the words that name objects or people or things. For example, a cat, a dog, Anna, a table, a day. And pronouns are the words such as I, you, she, he, and so on. So nouns can be either singular or plural. Singular means just one of the person, animal, or thing which the noun refers to. Plural means more than one or many. Singular. I go, you go, she goes, or Anna goes, he goes, or Sam goes, it goes. Now pay attention on how we spell the word goes. G-O-E-S. So we have to add the ending es to the verb to create a correct form. So when we talk about someone like Anna, Anna goes to school every day. Sam goes to school every day. It goes to the park, for example, the cat. And when we talk about many people, we go, students go, you go, they go. We do not need to add any endings such as es or s. Let's read the sentences together. I go to school every day. He goes to school every day too. So we are adding es. Go, goes. Anna goes to the library once a week. She goes. My friends go to the cinema once a month. They go. My friends go. Many of them go. Copy the sentences in your books. You are doing so well. A few more slides and we will finish our lesson. Let's read the sentences together. Anna does her homework every afternoon. Anna loves listening to music. I love autumn. It's my favorite season. She loves autumn. It's her favorite season. We enjoy gathering mushrooms in the forest. They love picking mushrooms in the wild too. Children love to draw. Children draw pictures on weekends. They use pencils to draw pictures. So what do they use to draw? They use pencils to draw pictures. Two boys play outside. They are good friends. They always play together after school. So these boys do something all the time after school. To say that we do not want something or we do not like something, we are using the helping words do not and does not in the present simple tense, or the contraction, the shorter versions, don't, doesn't. Let's read the sentences together. I do not know how to read this word. I don't know where to buy this book. She doesn't know her address. She doesn't know where she lives. He doesn't want any help. I don't like rain. Pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. It's a test. Let's practice together. What you will need to do is you need to finish the sentences and write them in your book. I will help you with the first sentence. Sentence number 1. I, my hands, every day. You have to choose the word wash or washes. I wash my hands every day or I washes my hands every day. Which word are you going to choose? Wash. I wash my hands every day. Write it down. Sentence number 2. My mom a cake on the weekend. My mom bake a cake or my mom bakes a cake. Sentence number 3. My dad a car once a month. Wash or washes? My dad wash a car or my dad washes a car. Number 4. They a song at school. Sing or sings? They sing a song or they sings a song. Number 5. I know how to read this word. Do not or does not. I don't know or I does not know. Which one are you going to choose? Okay, finish the sentences and write them in your book. I will check your answers later. Thank you so much for participating in this class, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!